What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So it's your Ebony. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button. So today is Tuesday and I don't have much to do today, but I'm at the salon right now because I have to clean up and I need to bring this. I'm about to open this package. I don't really know who it's from. It could either be some makeup or some lashes, because I'm expecting both. So yeah, it's like 11 o'clock. I don't really have much to do today. And y'all see my hair? You see how long it grew? You see how long it grew, Pooh? This is like exactly what I wanted. Something real natural, jet black, like, oh, I love it so much. So on today's agenda, I really just have to go to the grocery store. And then I have to get a wax. My wax appointment is today. We love that. And I have my whitening strips in, y'all. Yeah, so these are the last bit of lashes that I have ordered. Dang, I really didn't have to order. Yes, I did. These are cute. Okay, let me show y'all a little sample. Can you see it? So, got a lot of these. They're all different styles. So, it's kind of hard to see because I'm not trying to take them out. They get a little messy. But, you see? These are probably gonna be my fave. I like anything full, not too long, but you can tell you got lashes. These are like more for my natural girls, so I put these on more of like our older women or really like teenagers. If you know, but nowadays teenagers like 25 and them. So. And then this is gonna be perfect for like my weddings, because for like the mother of the bride and all of that, grandmas and stuff. You know, I cater to everybody, okay? I know how to be any face, period. Cute. And these are like my favorite for when you know, they don't want like natural lashes, but they want something like a little I'll put that on them. So I'm about to put this away. I keep all of my lashes down here. Y'all, I'm like stock. And I hadn't really put it together. It's so pretty in here. I need the light now. I think that's what I'm missing. That's what I really want to get. That new light. Huh? Yeah, I'm doing the vlog. Hi. Yeah. That girl sent me the link, but
to get what light, girl?
That neon light.
I don't even remember what she's talking about.
That neon light with my name.
Oh, yes.
That's what I really want before.
I sent you a link for that, didn't I?
Yeah.
I think the one that I sent you is kind of reasonable. It's like $300.
Just about to clean some brushes. Just in case, you never know. You never know.
Let me see. Let me hurry up.
But yeah, y'all, so it's October, and I have a lot of stuff to do, like branding wise, how I want to end my year, how I want to start my 2022. So it's time to get it. Like, I need to get this photo shoot together so I can get some new pictures. Like I said, my first photo shoot was just like for headshots. I really need business cards, so that's why I did that one. But now it's time to like let the girls know, like, all right, keep playing. It's time to let them know. So that's what I'm trying to do a photo shoot for. in like a videography, but I don't know. So I don't have any clients today or tomorrow, but I have a wedding tomorrow morning, early tomorrow morning actually. Not tomorrow morning, Thursday morning. So I'll probably be back up here to pack up my stuff. I don't want to pack it too early and then have to come back tomorrow just in case I get booked and unpack, like, I know. So I'm gonna just wait till tomorrow. Let me throw this all away. So my shoes finally came. They my size. Okay, so these are my new work shoes, y'all. Look at them. I'm cute. They're cute, right? They're cute. They're real cute. I feel like I can just go to the gym, but I ain't going to no gym. I actually need to go cancel my gym membership because I want to go to a different one. But it already took the money out of my account, so now I need to wait. I need to do it now, so at the end of the month, they just take their last payment and that be it. Yeah, y'all, so I'm about to chill until like 12. I need to go to the grocery store. I'll probably do that. And then go get my wax. I need to look up on TikTok what I want to cook for my man. And then figure out my life. Yeah. All right, what's up, y'all? So I just made it to Publix. Okay, so we're gonna make some seafood lasagna because I keep seeing it on TikTok. I keep seeing it on Instagram. So I'm a little nervous only because, like, when I think about lasagna, I think about red sauce. I don't want to put seafood with it, but I'm not even using red sauce. So I need to get that out of my mind. I just need to think about Alfredo, like. And I'm gonna try to use ricotta cheese. I don't really like ricotta cheese. But if it's prepared right, then I'll eat it. So yeah. Let's get my umbrella and then we can go. Let's go in here. Don't overspend, Ebony. Trying to get all the snacks. But I'm gonna get a few things for us so we can cook. I don't know where ricotta cheese is at. What the fuck do that even look like? I'm about to Google it real quick. Yeah, let me Google it. I got the cheese. I don't see it. Can I get two of these? So I'm back at the house. So we're about to cook the seafood lasagna. So I got a lot of shit actually. So I got some. Let me just show y'all. I got some mushrooms, the lasagna noodles, some garlic, ricotta cheese, baby spinach, some butter, Parmesan, and a 4 cheese. This is our shrimp. This is some salmon, some chicken broth, because I cook all my noodles in chicken broth, crab meat, whipping cream, asparagus, and some eggs, and some peppers. And I got some tuna crackers to eat while I'm cooking because I'm hungry right now. So I'm about to go ahead and start on I'm just boiling the noodles to get that out the way. And then I'm gonna start on the salmon and then shrimp. No. Yeah, I'm gonna start on the salmon and then shrimp and crab meat. And then I'm gonna do the sauce. The sauce is gonna be last, so let's get to it.
I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you and only you. I got one Virgil, got one, and that there's the only two, man. How many times have I shown it through, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes. He thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Hey. Yeah, I got one lawyer, got one, and that there's the only two, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving them potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels or fuck up the deals. I'm posted in Stockholm, it's me, the Owls, and the twins, it's only the real. I'm moving way too humble, Weezy and handed it off, I still got no fumbles. I'm on a hot 100, numero uno, this one ain't come with a bundle. I'm in the win, $1 million in chocolate chips, and that's your time my cookie crumble. I put a skirt on the whip and a crown on the 6, but there's no need to dress up the numbers, ayy.
I want to give y'all like a true reaction because I'm nervous. Where is my tripod? Oh. A1. Oh wow. You don't even taste like Alfredo, it just tastes like literally seafood lasagna. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Gelato, cheesecake, red cherry cheesecake. This is my most favorite one, and they're always out of stock. I don't think I had it since the first time I had it years ago in college.
He gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he gon' get offended. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to date me. Tell him go put my name on that account because when I need money I ain't tryna holler. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to date me. Tell him go put my name on that account because when I need money I ain't tryna wait. I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this. Hey, bitch, I do rich shit. My money thick. Hey, walk with a limp. I'm on some pimp shit. Hey, you say you all about money. Yeah, I'm on that cash shit. I'm in my bag, bitch. I'm on your ass, bitch. I'm in that new shit. You on that last year. Bitch, I do pimp shit. Oh, you on simp shit. about money. Yeah, I'm on that cash shit.
You know how these bitches love me? Why? Cause baby don't give a fuck. What you do? I be fixing the weed while she sucking my dick, pull it out, then I titty fuck. I fuck her from the back and she nasty, killing her. Know how I give it up. I be cool on the bitch, ain't no pressure. Till I met this little freak, her name Meg. This little thing here style. Look how she walk, look how she talk, she sexy. I like when they pretty and ghetto. Type of bitch that don't even say hello. And whenever we fuck, she be fucking me back. Put her in the headlock with my elbow. Now she done reversed. Got up on the dick and ride this shit like a Camaro.
I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this. Hey, bitch, I do rich shit. My money thick. Hey, walk with a limp. I'm on some pimp shit.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the vlog. So it is, oh, I'm so sorry, but my teeth is real sensitive right now after I left my teeth whitening on way too long. So it's just real sensitive. But today is Tuesday. I haven't checked in with the vlog probably since like Saturday or something like that. But that's only because, you know, I had a lot going on. I had my brother's baby shower. And then, you know, on Mondays I'm off, but actually I had a meeting. So, yeah. I am closing out this vlog because we have some exciting news. I'm going to LA today. That's why I look crazy. Okay, yeah. This is why I look crazy. This is why my rollers are in. I woke up this morning, curled my hair, and then I put in my flexi rods. So when I get to the airport, I can be like cute effortlessly because I'm not wearing like nothing cute, to be honest. But yeah, so I'm going to California today and I'm excited. I've never been. I'm going to California today, so I'm actually on the way to get a COVID test. I'm going to be closing, oh shit. I'm closing out this vlog so I can start another vlog. So this is the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned for next Sunday's vlog. That will be the Kelly vlog. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you're watching the whole entire video. Like this video, share this video, do what you gotta do, okay? But I love y'all and I will see you guys